Hello everyone. This is Imtiaz Begum, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, Government First Grade College, Chikbalapur. Today I am going to discuss session 26 of Employee Welfare and Social Security of 5th semester BBA, Bangalore North University. Here we are going to discuss social security, its social assistance and social insurance. So we'll have a quick recap. In the previous class, we had discussed about what is social security, what are its concepts, features, and scope of social security. Today we will discuss about social assistance and social insurance. So the learning objective of the chapter, this chapter aims to provide an understanding of social security, that is social assistance and social insurance. Session outcome, the student will be able to understand the concept of social assistance and social insurance. So, as we discussed in the previous class, social security, it provides a self-balancing different schemes of social insurance and social assistance from public funds or proper combination of both in case of contingencies leading to physical incapacity to work. During that contingency, any effective scheme of social protection must take care of workers' income and medical care. The coverage of social security is very dynamic and wide. Scope of social security programs vary from country to country. In some countries, social security is applied to all governmental programs planned to maintain income. In some countries, it covers health and welfare services, and in some countries, it applies to all the social insurance program. Indian government has adopted a dual strategy for providing social security in different organized and unorganized sector. So here the coverage of social security includes different schemes of employer and employees contribute to provide assistance for running the scheme. The government also make a small contribution in different schemes like employee provident fund, pension scheme, employee insurance scheme, maternity benefit, so on. So here the concept of social insurance. As we said, social security is being divided into two concepts. One is social insurance and social assistance. First, we will discuss social insurance. Social insurance is giving in turn for contribution for meeting different contingencies of life. Social insurance schemes are funded entirely by central government or from common finance contribution made regularly by the employer as well as employee. The fund so created takes care of all benefits paid in cash or kind. Under this, major contribution are made by central or state government and employers, while the employees pay only a nominal amount according to their capacity to pay. So here, social insurance, the meaning says social insurance is a group idea of helping the needy people who are not able to work due to certain risks. In other words, social insurance is giving return for contribution benefits up to subsistence level as of right and without means and tests, so that individual may build freely upon up to it. Or social insurance is social cooperative device which aims at granting adequate benefits to the insured on the compulsory basis at times of unemployment, sickness and other emergencies. So, according to Professor S.C. Saxena, social insurance is a device to prevent individual from falling to the depth of poverty and misery and help him in times of emergency. Insurance involves the setting aside of sum of money in order to provide compensation against loss resulting from particular emergencies. So, here what happens is the risk of one is distributed among many on the principle of insurance. In it, contribution is small, but benefits are very high in case of happening of event. So here social insurance system in India has spread due to obedience of workers, due to impact of globalization, liberalization and modern urbanized industrial system. Next we have is features of social insurance. Schemes of social insurance is financed by the small contribution made by the employees and major portion by the employer. In all the schemes of social insurance, participation is compulsory with only few exception. Under this scheme, contributions are accumulated in special funds out of which benefits are paid. The contribution and the benefits rates are often related to what the person is or has been earning. If there happens to be surplus fund not needed to pay current benefits are invested further future income. So next we have is social assistance. So here the meaning of social assistance, here the grants are given to the needy by the state or community. It is provided a supplement to social insurance for those needy person who cannot get social insurance payment. So here the difference between social insurance and social assistance is in social insurance the employee employer contributes the money and in the need they will get their money back in the form of assistance. Whereas social assistance without any payment of premium, here the state or the central government or the companies provide assistance to the people who do not have social insurance payments. Next, it has been defined by ILO as social assistance is a service or scheme which provides benefits to person of small means as of right in amount sufficient to meet minimum standard of need and financed from taxation. So some of the features of social assistance are first one, social assistance is a kind of help which depends upon certain conditions and legalities between workers and the state. Social assistance is given as a voluntary help, which social insurance is granted only to those persons who have made the contribution. Next one, it has the objective to cover poor sections of people in the society who cannot effectively protect risk and contingency to which are exposed. The next one is social assistance is a unilateral obligation of the community towards members who are really in need. Next one is social assistance is an expression of social responsibility of states towards its needy persons. Next one, social assistance schemes are more applicable where the workers are too poor. The next one, social assistance requires fulfillment of certain prescribed conditions. Okay. So, based on the concept social assistance and social insurance, I have framed few questions. Those are social assistance is a voluntary. Social security provides medical care, sickness benefit, unemployment benefit. So, the answer is all the above. Social assistance is given to employees, community, and people poor in the society. So the answer is all the above. Social security provides combination of social insurance and social assistance. So the answer is both A and B. Last one, social security is very dynamic and wide security program. So thank you very much.